Okay, so how are we going to divide this big painting into our 17 equal pieces? What could we do? Lily, what were you saying we could do?
We could cut it.
Okay, cut it how?
So if Jean had a little piece and I had a big piece, we could use the big piece and make it in half, or we could each have the same amount.
Okay, so then in that case, how could I cut this entire one? Now, Samuel, what are you thinking of doing?
Cut it in half.
Okay, so you're telling me to cut it in half. Now, if I cut this big painting in half, how many pieces will I have? So Samuel, move back for a minute. If I cut this in half, so if I basically folded it over and cut it in half. Oh no.
The popsicles are falling.
That's okay. If I cut it in half though, how many pieces will I end up with? Just if I cut, how many pieces will I end up with?
2.
Right. But how many pieces do I need?
17.
I need
You
some
can do
teeth.
like this one. Actually.
Oh, now hold on a minute. Samuel, what are you doing? Tell me. What are you thinking?
Like cut it over here
Yeah?
and cut it over here.
So you told me to keep cutting these little pieces, and then what did you say to do?
And cross.
If I cut it across, so if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe even 9, and then across, what's going to happen to my 9 pieces? So if I cut 9 this way, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I cut it like that, and I then cut it across the middle, what will happen to my 9 pieces?
You'll have more.
Right, how many more would I have?
A lot of. 9
A lot?
That would be 19 maybe.
Why did you say 19 maybe?
Because
What made you think 19 maybe?
Because I know I didn't 19 last time I heard someone say 19.
Okay, now hold on. So you're thinking that, but Divya, you were working on something. What were you trying to do, Divya?
I was counting 9 more, and then I went and I was like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Now hold on. You're moving your fingers super fast. So
Try
you want
again.
I did it
Okay.
at 8.
Right, so
18.
okay, so let's try it again, and let's maybe, because we're going super fast there. So
Yeah.
we started at
9.
Oh,
Wait,
oh,
I'm
no.
counting by 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
So she had 9, and she counted on 9 more, and what did she get? 18. And how many pieces did we need?
17. So I have to take out 1.
Oh, we do. So the question is, if we went with that idea, would that work? Would we have enough?
Yep.
Okay. So how are we going to?
Give away 1.
I'm sure we could find someone who's willing to take a piece.
We could even hang one in the classroom, Miss Dunsiger.
That could be good. I want to hang one in the class.
Yeah, that's
We
why
could. So if we're gonna do that though, someone had earlier on said something to me about how we were going to do it.
We had to measure it
Oh.
because we had to measure it. We had to go to see
Okay.
how big it would be, because what if someone said, I want a piece that is this small.
This is not big.
And
One
then
second.
they cut it from here
Yeah.
all the way to here.
Yeah.
They say, I wanted it this little. So you have to measure it.
Right. But we also have to make sure that when we measure it, every piece needs to be the
Same.
Okay.
That's
So
why I meant